All right, you see my screen, right?
Yeah, so just
So
make it bigger.
yeah, so SMTs are very they're very simple. Like it's so you're gonna be using different assets, right? So you're gonna be using like YM and ES. They're correlated assets, so they should be moving the same.
Same direction.
Yeah, in the same direction. So if you see between these two assets, if you see some type of crack in correlation, meaning like if there's something like where um in this example, you see how NQ over here didn't take this high from the swing, but ES took this high from the swing. So
I see.
this is a divergence. There's a cracking correlation between the two assets. So SMT specifically, they are a clue. They're like a confluence for you to start to see if price is going to reverse from there and to continue down.
Uh-huh.
So it gives you like an extra piece of information for you to use because yeah, this is where like smart money is entering positions, right? Because when there's this cracking correlation here, it means that you know, this asset that didn't take the high is stronger, and this asset is
So in this in case, like you see this, uh, what do you mean? Like, what would be the confirmation for you from it? So you see the cracking correlation, you see the obvious that the thing didn't go in the same direction.
Mhm.
So how you appreciate this? How you see it as a what is showing to you now?
Well, this would be exactly the same way that we would like look at swing points. So this one is showing us like this cracking correlation, you see, right? So,
Yeah.
and this is the 4 hour. So at this point, I'm looking at this to be a swing to the downside because we have this piece of information. Like, okay, it's a cracking correlation and a swing point together. You understand?
Okay. Yeah.
So as we continue down, it's still making cracks and correlations. You see here, it took the high again, and this one didn't. So it's just more
Mhm.
confirmation for me that we're going to keep pushing down.
And this also can be in a bullish scenario.
Yeah, of course. Both sides. Yeah. So
Mhm.
let's look in like a bullish scenario. I know there was one recently. This can happen also between candles. Like let's say if you go on the daily too, and let's find a good example. Well, this is a good example too. The one that we just looked at, it's also associated to
That's
the
good.
to the daily. You see how the daily it's between
Uh,
candles.
uh-huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So between candles, you have this is a clue already for you that like we're creating a swing. You see candle 1, 2, 3. You can already see that
Mhm.
the today we're gonna go down because we have a
Mhm.
swing. You can't really see the swing here, but you see it here, and if you seeing
Mhm.
it here confirms that this is
Mhm.
a swing too. So you can treat
Mhm.
this as a
Yes,
swing.
this is very obvious point when you see the
Hmm.
completely two different candles, but they're going the same direction.
Now
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna teach you something. I haven't taught this to the other people yet, but
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna teach you something new in terms of cracks and correlation. Okay, because there's different types of cracks and correlations. Okay, this is one of them. So SMT. Let me take this. So cracks in correlation. So cracks in correlation is one type of is a whole section, right? And inside this section we have SMTs, right? Which is exactly what you just saw, the
Uh-huh.
divergence
Uh-huh.
between ES, NQ, YM. Okay. That's one cracking correlation. The next type of cracking correlation is a PSP, ESP,
Mhm.
which is a precision swing point. Okay, so this type of cracking correlation is when we have different color candles. between each other. So it's the same thing as like an SMT, but you're using like it's a different type of cracking correlation, you know? So if you have an SMT and a PSP together, it's two confirmations.
Double confirmation.
Double confirmation, exactly. So like let's look at the 4-hour here, right? There was an instance today of a PSP. So you see this swing point right here? On this candle here.
On the black candle.
Yep. So we have this swing point here. This is candle 1 on this candle. This is candle 1 on this. And then candle 2 here swept it. And you see how this created an SMT because this never took the high. And we have a PSP here, a precision swing point here, because this never took, this created a different color body.
Yeah, I see completely different. This one is bullish. This one's bearish. Look at small
exactly.
one.
Exactly. And this is candle 2, and this is candle 2. But now we have double confirmation of a crack in correlation. So now we can anticipate a swing point. Now we can be like, okay, this is candle 2. I know this is candle 2. I'm anticipating candle 3 to push down now. So this is candle 3, candle 4, and this is 8. This is 8 hours of data, you know. So
yeah, that's a lot.
A lot of time, you know. So if you go down on that 1 hour, you can see even more, you know. You can have an even more accurate idea because you know how in the 4-hour wick is a 1 hour swing. So as you can see, like the wick, the high, oh, this is today, but like anyway, this is a high on the 4-hour, and on the 1 hour it would create a swing. Let me just like come down just so you can see the visual. So this is the 4-hour. 4-hour, you see how this is the wick here? On the 1 hour, you're getting more detail of the wick. So what you're seeing on the 1 hour is that it's creating a swing. So it's a swing inside the swing that's being created. So now you have the SMT confirmation, you have a PSP confirmation, and now you have a swing forming with a higher time frame swing that you're at. This is the candle that you're anticipating. You're anticipating this candle.
Double check PSP will be something that actually has different color in the candle, but it's confirming the same direction.
It's the same type of it's a confirmation showing you that there's a difference between the two charts, where in otherwise they should be the same. So if there's a difference between the two, it's like a clue. It's like telling you like, okay, there's something wrong here. Something's about to shift. It's about to shift. So now that you have the confirmation, like it's like it's giving you the clue. Now you can go in and investigate deeper, right?
Deeper. Yeah.
So now you can investigate deeper. You're like, okay, well, I'm anticipating, because we closed candle 2 of the 4-hour with a PSP over here, right? Now I can anticipate candle 3 to open and continue the narrative. Because even candle 3 over here is supporting the narrative that we're creating a candle 3 on the hourly. So the next 4 hours, we're expecting it to push down, you know?
Okay.
Makes sense?
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
So what do we notice the next candle, the next 4-hour? Next 4-hour over here at midnight, what happens? We create another
swing.
SMT swing, exactly.
SMT,
we create another cracking correlation in the form of an SMT. So now we're continuing to push down, continuing the narrative of the 4-hour with the PSP and the SMT of the 4-hour, and we're continuing to push down. You know, so that's essentially what SMTs are. You know what? We're gonna step away from calling it only SMTs. It's cracking correlation. This is what a cracking correlation is. Yeah.
It looks like.
Yeah. So there's different forms of cracks in correlation. This is SMT is one of them, and the PSP is another one. The precision candle. So those two clues that's giving you like a hint. Okay, we're starting to shift. The smart money's in this area. So let's see if it's gonna shift, create a swing, what type of swing is it? Is it a candle 2 closure? Is it a candle 3 closure? Is it like an ideal swing? Is it like a reversal swing from the 4 hour, and then we come in closer on the 1 hour, and then we look for our 5 minute entries, because right here they should follow order flow, respecting fair value gaps, respecting order blocks, and continue downside. See how we're pushing down?
Okay.
We created like at the swing, retracements, holding order blocks, holding fair value gaps, still creating swings to the downside, displacing, creating fair value gaps and displacing,
Tell me one question when you're mentioning now, like let's say when you're trading
Yeah.
in a percentage, most of the times you're entering on a very, I mean, obviously you're always checking the higher time frame. That's
Yeah.
the beginning,
Mm-hmm.
but you most of the time entering based on a very short time frame. That's your entrance, yeah,
Yeah. So
on a very lower.
yeah, my entries are either the 5 minute, the 3 minute, or the 1 minute.
Okay, got it.
But all
Got
of these depend on the
it.
4 hour and the 1 hour,
Definitely, yes. 1 hour and 4 hour
and
to
even
give
the
you the
daily
picture.
too.
Yeah,
The daily
yeah,
for
yeah,
which
preparation.
direction? Yeah.
To see where is that liquidity that might be going
Yep.
and okay, that's
Yeah.
external and
Now think
okay.
about what we just talked about, right? Like the PSPs and
Mm-hmm,
SMTs,
hmm
right? So if we go
hmm
on the daily and we can see like we're starting to form like let me find a good example.
hmm
Let's see, we're starting to form like a swing on the daily, because a daily swing, okay, so for example, like this, let's say hypothetically, this is where we are on the charts right here.
hmm
This bearish candle, this candle over here, it's a candle
hmm
two,
hmm
candle two,
hmm
and then on ES, candle two as well, and then YM over here, candle three. So what do you notice about these three candles?
Oh, definitely. Yeah, I see. Just a second.
Yep.
Oh, so on a third, on a YM,
Mm-hmm.
you see that's a crack definitely there
Yeah. So now we have a
because
cracking
yeah,
correlation.
we have. So that's a confirmation is gonna go bullish.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's
That's
a creation
one.
swing.
That's one clue.
One confirmation.
Yeah.
One
So
clue.
so what else do we have here? What else can we see? Is there a second clue?
It's a swing there.
It's a swing. That's also a clue. But what else? You see this low?
Uh-huh.
This low. I know it's a bit hard for you to because you're not like looking at it the same way I am. I'm like controlling it.
Yeah, definitely.
But you see how this low got swept. This low is associated to
Uh-huh.
that low. It didn't get swept. So now we have two stage cracking correlation. We have an SMT cracking correlation, and we have a PSP cracking correlation. You see?
Yeah,
Does that make sense?
makes sense.
Yeah. So now we have two stages of cracks and correlation. We have the SMT, because this didn't take the low right here, and this did take the low. This didn't. This did. This didn't. This didn't. This did. And when we took the
Uh-huh.
low, right, we created a candle two with a different color. So that's two cracks in correlation already.
Wait, just a second. On YM there, you're saying that it took the low. Maybe just a little bit it's blurry, so maybe I don't see it. But is there a wick going all the way to? Yeah, I didn't see that wick.
Yeah.
That's why I was like, no, yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
It was losing and going back a little bit blurry.
Okay. Yeah. The
Okay, no,
quality.
makes sense. Yeah,
Yeah. So
makes
I
sense.
zoomed in. So
100%.
so this low is
Yeah, yeah,
associated with
yeah.
this low. Yep.
I see. Obviously, there is a sweep on a YM.
Yeah. But this one
Okay,
never
I
took
see
that
it.
low that's associated to it. So that's two
Uh,
stage two
uh,
stage cracking correlation. Now we have a PSP and an
uh,
SMT, and we're creating a swing. So imagine if you're coming in on Monday over here, what do you expect it to be?
in which direction you asking me? The bullish, definitely.
Yeah, definitely bullish, right? And which candle do you expect this to
Yeah.
be? If this is candle 1 and this
That's
is candle 2,
that's gonna be 3. Yeah.
yeah, candle 3. So
Yeah.
so now you
Candle
have
3.
your higher time frame perspective, and then you actually have the next day too, because the next
Ah,
day is a continuation.
continuation 4. Yeah.
Candle 4, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I see.
Yeah,
You
so
have plenty of time
plenty
to
of time.
collect,
So
to
if
just
you
find
know
your
that
entrance.
candle 4, candle 3 and candle 4 should be bullish, now
Mhm.
the next days you can anticipate us to create SMTs at the lows and some PSPs at the lows too, and to continue upside. So I'm just gonna zoom in here. So you see how YM is much
Mhm.
cleaner, the price action here,
Mhm.
much
Mhm.
nicer
Mhm.
to trade this, but
Mhm.
you can still
Mhm.
trade all three of them because they're all three going to move in the same direction.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
YM at 9:30 here. No, this is 6 o'clock, 4 hour candle. We created another SMT here at the lows because this one took this low like this, and this never took these lows like that. Continuation
Mhm.
SMT up.
Mhm.
You see,
Mhm.
this took the.
That's technically you can be that's entrance point there.
Oh yeah, for sure. Because you already have. Look
Yeah.
at
Yeah.
how many pieces of
Uh-huh.
evidence you have. Clues. You have
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
two-stage
Uh-huh.
SMT with
Uh-huh.
a PSP on the daily, and then you have a 4 hour SMT on the buy side of the curve going up. You know where your bias
Yeah.
is. So
Yeah.
now like you're pretty good. You're pretty golden.
Tell me, let me ask you, Sim. I mean, to be honest, I was practicing only on one screen
Mhm.
because I'm still maybe need time to
Yeah.
try focusing on
It,
all
it,
of them.
if you want to practice with more screens, just start with two. Start with just NQ and ES.
And Q&As. Okay.
Yeah, because
Okay.
like just to get used
Okay.
to it, you know,
Yeah.
and then later
Yeah.
add YM to it.
So later on, when you're trading like you now,
Yeah,
and you're using account and everything, like you choose on which like you wanna trade the MNQ now,
yeah,
and then you can use the same account in the same time to trade on buy app. Is
yeah,
that how it? Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
For now, just stick to NQ. You know,
Definitely, definitely.
yeah.
For me, I don't wanna. No, I don't like putting things when I don't feel comfortable. That time,
Hmm.
I know what I'm doing. You know.
Hmm.
So definitely till I keep practicing more.
Real quick
Now I
point.
understand.
Real quick point. You see how like on the 4 hour here, we swept
Mm-hmm.
this low.
Mm-hmm.
This is creating
Yeah.
another candle two, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So this candle
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
3, you can expect it to continue up.
For.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
4,
Mm-hmm.
and then this
Yeah, I
you
see there is a obviously swing over there, and
hmm
yeah, yeah.
and this also, you know, this is a candle 2, candle 3 closure because candle 3, you see how
That's
candle
the
2
close, yes.
the body closed below here the low. So at this point, if we don't know what candle 3 is going to do yet, we don't know if this is going to continue down or if it's going to come up. Obviously we know because we have the confirmation of the higher time frame, but for the better entry we would wait for candle 4 here, because once it retests the order block here, that's our clue. Like we can enter off of this retest to continue up, because this is a candle 3 closure. Candle 2 closed the body below the wick.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So that means
Mm-hmm.
we wait for candle 3 to close, and then we trade candle 4, because candle 4 will
Mm-hmm.
retest
Mm-hmm.
the order block here.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Make sense?
Yeah, I see. Makes sense.
This is a
Yeah,
four
makes
hour
sense.
candle too, you know. So when you come down on the 5 minute, let's see how it looks like, just out of curiosity on the 5 minute. Um, yeah, right here. I mean,
Mhm.
it's pretty clean, you know. Like pretty obvious. We came down, we opened up, came down. We're creating the wick, you know, and like we're already bullish.
Mhm.
So like easy entry here to continue up. Very easy. Let's see. Where is it? Here. So at this point, when you're looking at it, right, you're
Mhm.
already anticipating this to be candle 4. We're creating the wick,
Uh-huh.
and now we're going from internal to external, right? Because this is internal area. Let's look in the 15 to see a fair value gap. Yeah, so we have the fair value gap here. We can go fair value gap, internal,
Mhm.
with the order block here, retesting here on
Mhm.
the 15,
Mhm.
right? Swing up, and then your easy target, would be the external here.
Mhm.
So we're going from internal to external.
Mhm. Mhm.
And just out of curiosity, let's see how many handles. This is 118 handles. You know,
Mhm.
you only need a 2R. So like, let's say hypothetically,
Yeah.
you put your
Yeah.
stops like this, and you enter. Like this is all you need, like right here.
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
and you're out, and you're good. Make sense?
Mhm. Makes sense.
So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what cracks and correlations are.
Mhm. You know, I was mentioning this with Alex
Hmm.
when we did the PDF file
Hmm.
beginning, and was just beginning. I'm just was getting in. Now PDF file makes much more sense.
Hmm.
Like because now we did trading. Now I understand much more things that you were talking into PDF file about it.
Yeah.
So that's good, and I'm gonna definitely go again through it to check some things and.
Hmm. Well, I have something in the works. Like
Mhm.
I'm working on something, so
Okay.
um
Hmm.
that's way better than the PDF and whatever. So
Okay.
once I'm finished with that, we'll go through whatever I'm working.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good.
Like
So.
it'll be a lot more in depth, everything. Like like the PSP, I was gonna leave it for what I'm gonna release
Hmm.
the continued
Hmm.
thing, but I just showed you right away here.
Yeah, yeah, I know, I know, I know, I know. Fresh interest. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Okay, I'll have one more thing for you.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what I did on Trading View.
Uh-huh.
I literally moved to Transdealer, and I just wanted to open to check daily what's going on right
Mhm.
now. Like to see
Yeah.
market. That's what it's doing. And my screen completely changed. Probably press something or whatever, but I would like to put them back on what you set me up before because I
Can
used
you
to
share
it.
your screen and I'll take a look?
Yes, I will do it right now. Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely.
Mhm. Yeah, man, I'm really happy with you and Alex's progress. I don't know if you two also study together, but man, you guys are doing really well.
We did a lot practicing together.
Good,
And
man.
what I see Alex, it's very good. He catching all order blocks, fire value gaps, so many like checking these things. And my thing is kind of more to see this way of direction price, like where it's
Yeah.
gonna, move towards which side. Okay, this liquidity sweep, there is no nothing else there. We
Hmm.
have to go other direction. So that was helping him a lot, and for me it was good to help him with this other stuff. So
Hmm.
we worked very, very good, to be honest. Like all tests was good.
Good, man.
Let's see. I'm gonna do a few more tested and posted you. Let you know. To be honest, every day I'm catching more and more. It's
Oh
gonna
yeah, for sure, bro.
definitely takes time, and I'm not rushing.
Yeah.
Adrian, I'm really like I see Alex a little bit in my taste. He's a little bit rushing, but I really taking your time. I'm
Take
step
your
by step. It's gonna come.
Yeah, take your
Yeah.
time. Make sure you understand everything. The most important thing, like I said, bro, is your risk management. If you have the
Hmm.
proper risk management, it doesn't matter if you take a few losses because you're going to recover everything as you go with the proper risk management, because you have an edge in the market. You lean on your edge and you're not going to blow up, if you have a win rate that's
Yeah.
above 40%, which obviously you have. I'm teaching you guys something that's like very highly probable. Um, then you'll easily recover any loss that you make. Let's say you take a
Uh,
losing trade, one losing trade, well, or two losing trades, or three losing trades. It doesn't matter because one win
mhm.
to R already makes back all your losses, and
Yeah,
you're back into
100%.
profit. You know?
100%, 100%. That's what I think. That's why I'm like, okay, the money management in a way just spend less than you're making. Let's say like that.
Yeah, yeah.
You know,
The
and
thing
then
is,
then
right?
you have saving. Yeah.
Trading. The most important thing about trading is that you're not here to make money. You're here to preserve capital. It's a capital
Uh
preservation. You're playing
huh.
defense.
Uh
You're
huh.
you're
Uh huh.
playing defense, and that's how you win. That's how you play offense, by playing the defense, because you're protecting your capital, and with the protected capital, you make your money. You know. But
Mhm.
if you
Mhm.
lose all your
Mhm.
money, you can't make money. You know what I'm saying?
True. True. Mhm. Mhm. True. True. True.
Mm-hmm.
What I'm seeing now through this one that I was practicing, every time that I feel like, okay, I don't see what's gonna happen, I'm just play it,
Mm-hmm.
play it, like till I see some setup that my eyes still can catch it, in the
Mm-hmm.
beginning. Like that's what I am, on which level I am at the moment and what I'm seeing. So I'm gonna wait for it till I learn more things.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm waiting for these perfect swings, and when it's too obvious that I seeing it. So yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, and you know what's gonna happen. You over time, bro. It becomes so like it's the same thing over and over and over again. It's literally the same thing. And if it's not the same, then you filter it out and you go to what's the same. You want it to be the same. You want it to be like, you know what I mean, monotonous.
yeah, yeah, 100%, 100%. Yeah, what is this? This is payday. The
Oh, let's take a look. So,
yeah, let me see this.
what did you say you wanted me to help you fix?
So what is it now? It's showing me last candle
Uh huh.
now, but it's not a time that it's happening, or it is. Yes, it is. Okay, my bad.
Oh, it's all good.
I was thinking of something. Yeah, I was thinking something is bad. This crack here is just a weekend. Yeah,
That was a
this is
gap.
Friday.
It's a gap. It
Yeah,
opened up lower. Yeah, it opened there.
yeah. Okay, okay. So all good, all good, all good.
Perfect, man.
Oh, good. Yeah. I was thinking for some reason that something went off.
Hmm.
I see it's not. Oh, it's good. All good, all good, all good. Okay, sounds good. I'm gonna keep practicing this weekend for sure, much more than I was before. I have time, and to be honest, this is the now what's happening with my life. I'm finishing whole season here.
Yeah.
Hopefully, in a week or two, I'm gonna move to East Coast.
Oh, really? Yeah. You're going to Florida?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I already find an apartment. My one friend, he's a truck driver.
Hmm.
He's gonna be for a long time on the road, and he's like that. Like I'm gonna leave you my pay me just half of it that I'm paying it, which for me it's amazing. I don't have to look for apartment. He has an amazing apartment,
Yeah.
so I'm just gonna go there, and and that's it. I'm gonna focus on it. I'm not having much expenses, so this is gonna be the really focus.
Perfect, man. Money making time.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. That's why I'm taking it easy. Okay, I'm finishing things here. Hopefully 2 more weeks, and that's it. I'm gone.
Hmm.
So I'm gonna be even for a market when it's opening and everything. Here is
Yeah.
3 hours earlier. Like so.
Yeah.
I have to wake up much before to
Yeah.
catch all the
I
things.
I personally I wake up every day in order to catch the 6 a.m. candle and the 10 a.m. candle. Those two
Mm-hmm.
candles.
Mm-hmm.
So I have
Yeah.
like two opportunities to wait for. And even sometimes I double check the PM session too, because sometimes the PM session
Mm-hmm.
gives you a good move as well. So I'm checking
Mm-hmm.
like
Mm-hmm.
those three candles mainly: 6,
Mm-hmm.
10, and 12. 6, 10, and 2
Mm-hmm.
p.m.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
6 a.m., 10
Yes.
a.m., and 1400 Eastern time.
Yeah. 6 a.m., 10 a.m.
Yeah. Yeah. 6 a.m., 10
Okay.
a.m., and sometimes the 1400 if it offers a good move. Like today, it was a good move on the
Yeah.
PM session.
Yeah, I see it technically now. It's creating, if I'm right, on 1 hour candle. I see uh this is almost a perfect C3 closure. Yeah,
Do you notice the cracks in correlation?
you see, yeah, yeah,
So there's two types
yeah.
of cracks in correlation. It is we have an SMT and we have a
Mhm.
PSP
Yeah,
on the hourly.
yeah, on hourly now. I see it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yeah. Well, on YM,
Mm-hmm.
which, yeah, like example, I'm telling you now what I'm seeing. So for me, I see that two bearish candles,
Mm-hmm.
the black one, where it's creating a swing point. It's like say three closure perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Seeing it right, like that two candles. So it's obviously 3 and 4
Mm-hmm.
going bullish. Like, yeah, I don't know what time frame which you have. That's kind my prediction, yeah, for
Yep.
that, just that. But now, okay, to check other things,
Yeah.
liquidities points and all the things, but this is just
Yeah.
regarding the candles.
The higher time frame. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. So when you're studying and stuff, like make sure to like if you have any questions and whatever, just write down your questions and then I'll do like a Q&A again, you know, and
okay,
we'll go over
okay,
everything.
definitely, yeah. But more I understand lyrics, like
Yeah.
alphabet, let's say like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have more questions for sure in the future, you know. So now I'm focusing on what I'm understanding, and as soon as I see I catching things and I have to ask something, I'll definitely
Mm-hmm.
ask
Yeah,
for
I think
questions.
you and Alex are doing very well. Like if you guys keep pushing, keep doing what you're doing, like whatever you're doing now, keep doing it. In a few weeks, you guys are going to be ready to open funded accounts and
On
get
account.
yeah,
Oh,
and make
we that's what we said about New Year. We was okay, Alex. Like, let's try to move this January to practice. So let's say February sometime we can maybe take some accounts and like if
yeah.
we are ready. That was kind of maybe New Year resolution.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Go,
The good
go.
thing about this too is that you're not putting up too much money. Like just
Mm-hmm.
to test
Mm-hmm.
out going through the eval
Mm-hmm.
because
Mm-hmm.
it's only like $200 that you're putting down
Mm-hmm.
for five
Yeah,
accounts, you know?
yeah,
So you can go
yeah,
like I'm pretty like you guys have the necessary skills already to be able to make money for sure, 100%. Especially with your back test results, like for sure you guys can make some money.
yeah. Okay. This is everything getting more picture, and I'm very grateful. I mentioned that very often with the friends that you show up, guys, because year ago I was in Miami. I have time,
Yeah.
like 4 months. I didn't do nothing,
Yeah.
and I was looking at, to be honest, at cryptos at that moment. So I didn't even know these things for me was different stocks.
Uh-huh.
And I was like, oh, I wish if someone can explain me, because I was sure that there is logic behind,
Uh-huh. Yeah.
it's not just like that. There is
Random,
something
yeah.
behind.
There's
And
something
I was
behind
like,
it.
okay, I spent 4 months, computer was every day open. They're just, looking at cards, but I didn't have clue what's going on.
Hmm.
And then you see a year later, that's you guys show up, and I was like, wow.
Yeah, I'm
There you
really
go.
happy you guys are with us, man. I'm really happy.
Yeah, 100%. And I'm gonna definitely see. I have a lot of friends.
Hmm.
As soon as I'm telling you, as soon as they see me, because the most of people are like that, they want to see something going on so they can
Yeah,
follow. So I'm gonna have definitely a lot of people to bring you in.
100%, man.
Yeah,
Well, perfect, bro.
really appreciate what you're doing. Yeah.
For sure, man.
Okay.